Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel Haaq Academy. We are really delighted to have you here with us. In this video, you are going to experience the most exciting moment because you're going to find what's your learner type. It's so amazing to know that, isn't it? This is the foremost step which every learner needs to do if they really want to get high scores in the studies and come out with flying colors in their education stream. So it makes us really, really happy to help you know that. Welcome. Let's continue with our instructions. There are three steps and three set of words which we are going to share with you. So I would suggest please be ready with a notepad and a pen. So there are three memory inputs which you are going to get a self assessment. The first one will be visual. 30 words will be given to you. There is a frame in front of you which would have 30 words. And after you finish that, finding out the score you secured, then we'll move on to the second set of words. Here in this auditory, you will only hear the words. And once you complete that, again put a score and see how much you secured. The third step, there will be dictation of those 30 words and you will be writing them down. So that's the kinesthetic, rather VAK together. All right. So you are going to do that as a third step and you're going to see how much you scored. And comparing all these three data, you would eventually come to a conclusion where you stand exactly, isn't it? That must be really, really exciting for you to know what type of learner you are. You ready? Very excited? Okay, let's begin. Slide number 1, visual testing. Silently move your eyeball and focus on the slide. You will be given a full 2 minutes time to do this. That's wonderful. You have completed this. Now it's time for you to write it down. Now write down the words which you really remember. And one condition, try to write them in order how much you can. And later you can just try to recall randomly and write whatever you want to write. And when you secure the marks, you please write down how many you really got it in order, because this slide will reappear. You can just compare it and find out where you stand. Oh, that's wonderful. Now your second step. Now you're going to have an auditory test. I will be giving you 30 words. Listen carefully, and once it is done, you will be given time to write it down. All right? Here again, you have to try to write as much as possible in the orderly manner. If it doesn't, then you can put it in a random way. No problem. All right, here we go. Tree, bucket, typewriter, telephone, glass, wood, pencil, paper, road, building, shop, biscuit, oil, soap, shirt, stomach, books, table, spectacles, visiting card, wind, elephant, tube light, toothpaste, basket, cat, wardrobe, rat, table fan. That's it. Now it's time for you to recollect. Please start writing it down. Very good. Now the third round. Kinesthetic. Here you're going to take a dictation. You write down the words in a usual dictation manner. And after you finish writing down, turn to a new page and be honest. Don't cheat yourself. Without copying them, you have to rewrite again in an orderly manner, whatever best you can, or otherwise in a random manner, and complete the task. Okay? Here we go. Aeroplane, doctor, orange juice, Australia, kite, swimming pool, octopus, ring, blood, sellotape, camera, newspaper, president, helicopter, mountain, parachute, desert, mobile phone, Mercedes, flowers. Okay, now you can turn a new page and start recollecting all those words. As a final step, compare all the three scores. The highest one tells you your type of learner. Congratulations! Whether you are visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, you don't have to really worry about the scores. Whichever the higher score you got, that's the type of learner you are. But let me assure you, through our methods, we bring a perfect balance with all these three modules, and that will really help you to implement this VAK in a systematic way to grasp all the written down data using the rote learning process or OTE, and then effectively use our methods, supreme study methods, which will eventually help you to learn better, super fantastic. So I hope you might have liked this video, and I would invite you, if you have not seen the video explanation how to rejuvenate your VAK R, please visit and watch that video, which will give you full detail about how you can improve upon. Using a graph, it has been nicely explained. And please like this video and recommend our channel to your loved ones, families, and friends so that everybody gets benefited. Keep watching our channel, and a lot more to come to improve your study. Thank you.